Thank you so much for coming in this particular channel right now. So this video is very much important. So we will talk about a app which is going to help you to create some kind of a post and some kind of a story highlighter, right? So we will talk about Canva. So Canva is one app where you can create so many things. Even if you want to create your resume also, you can use this particular app. So the reason why I like this particular app is that there are so many free elements in this particular app. Whenever you go to the Canva, you have the option of creating so many good quality content which you can use for your social media post, where you can solve a general problem for your customer. You can find out what is their problem, and you can try to find out how can you solve. You can give your tips, tricks. You can give the proper solution to the people, so that you can post, and so that these guys can able to solve that particular problem. And if they get the help from your post, definitely they will try to understand why you exist as a business person, right? So Canva is a very beautiful app designed by so many good people. So not only you will create your post, you will be able to create the thumbnail for your YouTube channel. You can create the thumbnail for your reels. So many things you can do over there. Definitely you need to go there. You need to go to the website. You need to download the Canva app. And let me tell you how this particular app is works. This app is a graphic designing app. So if you wanting to have some basic level of graphic designing for your business, definitely you can use this particular app. But if you're thinking that I need to do some professional graphic designing, so you should not go and expect Canva to become a professional graphic designer for yourself, because that costs some money. So whenever we are in business, whenever we are in small business owner agency, and whenever we are a freelancer, we don't have a lot of budget. So we need to make sure that we follow our budget also, and we create something so that we can survive as a small business owner. So this thing will definitely gonna help you. But what you need to understand is that you should go there and should not just Canva app in first time only, because when I created my first YouTube thumbnail in Canva, I thought this app is not going to help a lot of invest to me. But when I started, okay, they have so many font is there, they have so many options is there, they don't have only a prime content, they have some free content also. Then I started to understand, okay, this is the way I can get the help from this particular app. So if you are someone who wants to do that, if you are someone who wants to create the videos, if you are someone who wants to make sure you have some good quality thumbnail also for your YouTube channel, definitely you need to check out the Canva app. It will gonna help you. So thank you so much for being a good subscriber in this particular channel. This channel is designed by me and designed by you also, because you are watching each and every content on this particular channel. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to share, make sure to subscribe, make sure you stick to the channel. Thank you so much.